Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here with a tutorial and I will guide you how you can get the desired makeup look. Now, first of all, I'm going to use Murad hydration cream that can be used before makeup. As you can see the packing, you can get this one from Nykaa. Blend this moisturizer into your skin and hydrate your skin properly. And do not forget that you have to hydrate your neck also. I'm going to use this amazing Estee Lauder gel based primer. Add this primer on my T-zone. I will just blur out the pore. So as I'm done with the moisturizing and the prepping part, now I will go for color correction as I'm having dark circles. So this one is from MAC in shade deep medium. This one and this one for my color correction with a peachy tone. Covered with my dark circles and I don't think so I need much more correction on my face. Basically green color is for the redness of skin and orange color is for the darkness of skin. Use Fenty Beauty full coverage foundation in shade 270. So I will build up the foundation on my face. So in the mixing plate I will add 2 pumps of foundation as you can see. This is something interesting. When we need to activate the product, warm up the product like this, we spread it out on our mixing plate and then I'll use it on my face. This helps to minimize the product and warms it up and it will blend out very easily on my face. Don't have to drag the foundation like this, you just have to dab it. Now I'm going to use number 6 concealer from Benefit. I'm going to use this shade Touring. So this is the area you will focus on to get a perfect contour. Have a look. And this. The closer you will draw the 2 lines, the more sharp and thin your nose will look. Now I'm going to use Petal Poppin' from Fenty Beauty. Where should we add the blush? This is also a major question. So this is the area where we will add the blush. So now I will start blending out everything. I will start from the concealer. Now after blending the concealer, I will blend the contour. Slowly I have to buff. So this is the effect without light. This is how the base is. My favorite part. This is adding blush. This is from MAC New Edition. This is Room to Glow. Now it's time for highlighting and I'm going to use BH Cosmetics shade Illusion. Super amazing. Will set my base with Laura Mercier translucent powder. You have to set your crease lines again. Blend them and then add the loose powder under your eyes, wherever you feel your crease lines, around your mouth, forehead. So I'll take a puff and I will dab the powder under my eyes. So now we will move on to our eye makeup routine and today I am having something exciting, the palette that I'm loving the most. Look at this one guys. Again make sure that you're setting your crease line. Little bit of yellow in the after adding yellow, I'm going to add a little bit of orange. Right now this is looking a little weird, but at the end I'm sure you will love the result. So after adding orange, I will add Bloom. This is a pink red color. So Bloom pretty amazing color. So after this one, I'm going to add a little bit of purple. So blend it, blend, 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 blend. And you will stop when you will get the desired result. Blending is the key for good makeup. I'm going to add a little bit of yellow and extend it, make it much more graceful and beautiful. I will join the two lines. I'm adding super amazing purple pigment on my eyelids. So I've added a foil. I've added this foil on my eyelids to add a little bit of glitter on my eyes. This glitter is from Let Cosmetics. So now I've added lipstick from Recode. Guys, now I'm going to make my eyebrows with Anastasia caramel shade. So as you can see, how's my look for the day. And now I'm going to add eyelashes. So I've added the eyelashes, and so this is the final look that I've created. So comment below, do follow me if you love my work. Love you all, bye bye.